Oh, it smells so bad. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to KH Reviews. On this channel, I like to talk through pros and cons of specific tech items in an effort to hopefully help you better decide on what you want to spend your money on. So if you're into tech and you like watching reviews on said tech, please consider subscribing because every Thursday I'll be uploading a brand new video. I am just starting out, so every single subscriber does help, and I really appreciate the ones who have already subscribed. So all of that aside, you're here today to watch a review on the Autolivs UV Light Sanitizer that you can find on Amazon for $36.99. So without further ado, let's see if it's worth your money. All right, so let's do a quick unboxing and see what you're gonna get inside the box of this UV Light Sanitizer. You're gonna get the sanitizer box itself, and inside of it, you're gonna get the most important instruction manual, the power cord, and 2 pipettes for the aromatherapy that we'll talk about in a little bit. So the overall build quality of this is pretty simple. It's made out of a hard plastic material, and other than the grippies on the bottom, everything else is just this smooth white plastic, which it only does come in the white color. So coming up, I'm going to break down each one of these individual features that this product does offer, but the first is obviously the sterilization. The second is the fast wireless charging, and the third is it's actually able to produce aromatherapy through putting essential oils into it. So the 2 other features aside, you're obviously going to purchase this because it is a phone or item sterilizer, and there's 2 different settings on here. The first is an 18-minute long cleanse, and the second is a 30-minute long. And they're both going to kill 99% of the germs found on any item that you do put in here. So to initiate the 18-minute long clean, or the fast mode as they call it, you're simply going to press and hold this button on the top here for just about a second and let go. It is going to make an audible beep sound, and there will be a green light to let you know that the 18 minutes has initiated. For the 30-minute long clean, or the standard mode as they call it, you're going to press and hold again on this button, and it will turn blue and make 2 small beeps, and that will initiate the 30-minute long clean. So as I mentioned before, this does kill 99% of germs found on any product that you will put in here. And the reason it can boast of a 365-degree kill of all these germs is simply these little knobs in here are going to help raise whatever product you put in here. So if you put your phone in here, it's going to raise it off just enough off of the base of here that the lights that are on either end of this sanitizer will go underneath your phone and clean it 360 degrees. UV light can be dangerous to your eyes, and so they designed the ability to open the lid even during a clean, and the lights will immediately turn off on the inside so that they're not gonna spill out and hurt your eyes or any other part of your body. But can it kill COVID? That is the question. According to the research that I was able to find, it will and can kill the COVID virus, but I do want to give a disclaimer. It's not going to protect you from the virus per se. If you have your phone and perhaps somebody sneezes on it or something, you can stick it in here and it'll clean it and kill the virus or whatever else is on there, but once you take it back out, it has the same ability to collect any other germs throughout the day of anything you've touched, and then you've touched your phone, or you've touched your watch that you put in here, your AirPods, whatever you decide to put in here, it will get dirty again. So it's not going to prevent anything from growing on your device or your product, but it will kill it instantly once you put it in here. So this was originally designed to sterilize phones, and it is rated to hold up to a 6.9-inch device on the inside. But you can easily put anything else in here that will fit. And recently I've been using it for my mask. Because we're all wearing masks so often now, the bacteria buildup on the mask can often irritate your skin or cause even acne. And so I've been putting my masks in here every so often, and it gives me a little bit of peace of mind that my mask is clean every time I put it on. So the second feature that this does offer is the Qi wireless charger on the top. You can simply set any wireless compatible device onto it and it'll seamlessly charge. So I've been using this a lot at my desk for my phone, and then I can also put my AirPods on it to charge them as well. The charger offers 10 watts of power for Android devices and 7.5 watts of power for iOS devices. So it's going to take your phone roughly 2 or 2.5 hours to fully charge on this if it was starting off at 0% and going all the way up to 100. All right, so let's talk about the negative. It stinks. And by stinks, I don't mean like it's bad quality. No, it physically stinks. And the reason for this is because the UV lights are putting off so much of an electric energy, it smells electric. It smells like something's kind of fried. And when you open it, it smells so bad. But you only really smell it when you open it and when you initially take your product out. So what I first noticed was when I started putting my mask on right after I had sanitized it. I could hardly wear the mask. It smelled so bad. But if I let the mask sit for like 5 minutes, you could hardly smell it anymore. So I wanted to mention that negative before I talked about the aromatherapy, because the aromatherapy does help the smell. And if you do put the 2 drops that they do recommend into the sanitizer, it will help your mask or any other maybe clothing item that you put in here to sanitize. It won't smell as bad and pick up as much of that electrical smell. The aromatherapy makes it sound like it's gonna make your room smell good. It's not gonna do that. It's not designed to be essential oils diffuser. It simply just, I think, is trying to get rid of some of that smell that are coming off of the UV lights on the inside. All right, so that's pretty much it for this review today. But if you have any questions specifically about this, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, let me know if you're really into the whole UV rays killing COVID thing, or it's just kind of a trendy thing because the virus is so present in our lives right now. Either way, I really appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you all in the next review.